I'm Jenny Lee. The ACLU of Texas calls a new DPS policy unconstitutional. LGBTQIA plus advocacy groups discovered from an internal memo today that DPS will no longer accept court orders to change gender markers on driver's licenses. Ash Hall with ACLU of Texas says they're looking into how many state and federal laws DPS is violating. Hall told KVUE that DPS cannot ignore court orders and it cannot change policy without public input.
This is very much a case of discrimination. This is pretty obviously designed to keep transgender people for having a driver's license that matches their gender identity. It's designed to render transgender Texans invisible, even though we've always been here. And it's part of this ongoing attack against transgender people that we've been seeing by our state leadership for years now.
Now, we dug around on the DPS website and discovered on April 27th of this year, there was a paragraph about gender change. It reads, if you want to change your gender, you must bring an original certified court order or amended birth certificate verifying that change. But that message was no longer there on July 16th. Back in 2022, Texas Attorney General Ken Paxton asked DPS to compile a list of individuals who changed their gender on their Texas driver's licenses. Brad Pritchett is the interim CEO for Equality Texas. He says that and the timing of the policy change is a big coincidence.
I mean, what we've seen in Texas, unfortunately, is state agencies continually being weaponized against transgender people. So it's 100% designed, in my opinion, to target transgender Texans.
Pritchett also says the 93,000 Texans who identify as transgender are now in legal limbo because when your driver's license doesn't match with your other official documents like your passport, that can create issues. Back to you.
Jenny, thank you. Now, in just the last hour, DPS did respond to KVUE about the policy change, saying the Attorney General's office has recently raised concern about the validity of court orders to change the sex of individuals in government records. DPS says there will be a legal review of the situation.